Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the early restaurant. Do you have a reservation, ma'am? How many are you? May I suggest a table for you? This way, please. Please take a seat. May I put the napkin on your lap? Please do. The waiter will be with you in a short while. Excuse me, ma'am, a glass of water. Excuse me, ma'am, I am the wine steward. May I present you the wine list? May I suggest our famous drink of the month? It's peach daiquiri, perfect blend of California rum and clean peaches.
Yes, I want to try a glass of peach daiquiri.
Would that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
You will have a glass of peach daiquiri. Excuse me, ma'am, may I offer a basket of cinnamon roll and muffin with butter for your selection?
Give me one pieces of cinnamon roll.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, may I present the menu for your selection? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, a glass of peach daiquiri. Excuse me, ma'am, if you are ready, can I take your order now?
Just a minute, I find hard time to make up my order.
May I suggest our chef's special for the day? It's a special serving of camarada rosado, chicken asparagus, fresh fruit delight salad, tenderloin tips with fried rice and a side dish, and the dessert of caramel bar. For your beverage, you may choose in any with our set.
Interesting.
Yes.
I will try that one.
Yes, ma'am. How about your beverage?
Without coffee with the flavors.
Would that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
May I repeat your order now? You ordered for camarada rosado for your appetizer, chicken asparagus for your soup, fresh fruit delight salad for your salad, and tenderloin tips with fried rice and the side dish for your entree, and the dessert of caramel bar, and also a cup of coffee with creamer for your beverage. Did I make your order right, ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I offer a bottle of white wine to complement your camarada rosado for your appetizer?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am, camarada rosado for your appetizer. Excuse me, ma'am, may I clear the plate now?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, chicken asparagus for your soup. Excuse me, ma'am, may I clear the plate now?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, fresh fruit delight for your salad. Excuse me, ma'am, may I clear the plate now?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I offer a bottle of red wine to complement your tenderloin tips with fried rice and a side dish for your entree? Excuse me, ma'am, tenderloin tips with fried rice and a side dish for your entree? Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Just call me if you need any assistance. Excuse me, ma'am, may I clear the plate now?
Yes, please.
your dessert. Excuse me, ma'am, may I clear the plate now?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am, a cup of coffee with creamer for your beverage.
Waiter, can I get radio?
Just a minute, ma'am. Here's your bill, ma'am. I received 10,000. Here is your change, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We look forward to see you again.